8. So for this week we will be focusing on ball handling, strength and flexibility. For this we require a yoga mat, okay. Then we require any paper ball we do if you have a football or basketball or any small ball at home also would do, and 6 socks. So for the warm up, we will be doing the Surya Namaskar, which we have already done, and I believe we have practiced throughout the week. Okay, so do the Surya Namaskar 7 times. After we finish doing the Surya Namaskar 7 times, we will be doing spot marching. Okay, so I want you all to march on the spot for 30 seconds. Once you finish marching on the spot, okay, don't stop between the activity. Start jogging slowly on the spot. Okay. After that, try running fast on the spot. Each activity you will be doing for 30 seconds. Then back kick. Okay, back kick, 30 seconds. And then high knee for 30 seconds. So all these activities you will do 30 seconds each. Take a break of 1 minute and repeat all the activities again without the Surya Namaskar. So let's make our warm up a little more intense. So that is why we've asked for 6 socks. I want you to place the socks around, okay? Anywhere around. Once you have placed all the 6 socks around, stand in the center, okay? I want you to touch 4 socks at one time. It is okay for you all to decide which 4 socks, but try and make it a little challenging. For example, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I come back in the center. So that is my 1 round. So then next time I will try and touch 5 socks. So how will I go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back in the center. Increase the intensity by making it 6 socks, by touching all 6 socks at one go. So the first activity is called catch up. So if you have a football or basketball, or you can make a paper ball or any type of ball at home would do. It's very simple. What you'll have to do: throw the ball on top, catch. Throw the ball on top, catch. So this will develop a hand-eye coordination and also a ball handling skills when we're actually doing any activities such as handball or basketball, any type of activities. Okay, so throw, catch. I wanted to do this activity 50 times. When we finish doing this activity, the first variation what we have to do is throw, clap and catch. Throw, clap and catch. Throw, clap and catch. See how many maximum catches you can do. This activity do 25 times and try and do maximum number of claps. But the second variation for this is a little challenging. What I want you to do is throw, rotate, catch. Okay? Throw, rotate, catch. Try and do this 25 times and keep your eye on the ball when the ball is thrown on the top. Do a proper rotation and then catch the ball. So the second drill is called shuffle. You can take a football. What you'll have to do is take a little shoulder width distance. Your hands should be on top and you'll need to shuffle the ball from one side to another. Okay? Keep your eyes on the ball and shuffle. This I will do for 50 times. Okay? The first variation to this is that when we're doing this, we'll try and move around. See that I don't bang into anything in the house. Eyes on the ball, move around. So the next activity is called figure of 8. So I want you to have go shoulder width distance, knees slightly bent, ball in front of you all, and go figure of 8. So you can start from the front, move to the left, underneath, back in front, to the right, and go. Figure of 8. If you are comfortable one side, then repeat the other side. Do start from right to left. If you don't have a football or anything, a paper ball also will be fine. As I said, keep the ball in front. Position will remain the same. So we are only developing our ball handling skills. The variation with that is if we have a ball any ball that bounces, you can do a figure of 8 in a bouncing form. Okay, in a bouncing form. If you don't have, it's okay. So activity 4 is to develop a strength. We have already done the strength exercises, but I will show it to you all again. The first one is push-ups. We have to do 20 push-ups, okay? So your body will be straight and go down and up, down and up. If you cannot do a normal push-up, you can do a modified push-up. Bend your knee, touch your knees to the floor, cross your legs behind, down and up, down and up. So this we will do for 20 counts. Once we finish doing this, the next exercise is plank. So we'll go down on our elbows, our body straight, look up. We'll hold this position for 30 seconds. Okay? After this is lunges. Do not take a break between the exercises. So when we're doing lunges, one leg will be forward, down. See that our legs are 90 degrees. Down and up, down and up. This also will be doing 20 counts, that is 10 each leg. So the fourth activity is called tricep kickbacks. What we're supposed to do is take shoulder width distance, bend our knees, elbows will be bent in front and kick back. Elbows bent in front and it's straight behind. Okay, from the side, knees bent, elbows bent in front, make it straight behind. In front, behind. So this will be doing 20 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so like this 20 times. The next one is for a core, which is called V hold, also called Naukasan. So you put your legs up first, go up and hold. Try and squeeze your core as much as possible. This position will hold for 30 seconds. Once we're done with this, the next one is squats. Shoulder width distance, bend down and bend as if you're sitting on the chair, back straight. From the side, shoulder width distance, bend down, legs 90 degrees. See that your knees don't go ahead in front of your toes. So once we're done with all the 3 activities, we will do the cooling down. The first one is tricep stretch. Hold the stretch for 10 seconds and change the hand. Hand to the side, pull. Hold it for 10 seconds, change. So what we have to do is change the hand, put our hand up, go down and pull. Okay. Then we have to stretch our hamstring muscles. If you cannot balance, put one hand up. Change the leg, hold for 10 seconds and change the leg. Hold this also for 10 seconds. The next one, put your hand on the wall and stretch your bicep muscles. Hold for 10 seconds. Change the hand and hold for 10 seconds. So a Kinder Play at Home challenge for this week is to do the figure of 8 in 30 seconds. So take any ball, as I said before, and do the figure of 8 as fast as possible for 30 seconds. Please don't forget to share it with us or put it on social media and tag us at Kinder Sports or use the hashtag Kinder Play at Home. During the entire week, try and drink a lot of water, have a good amount of sleep, help in the household activity, household chores. Cut.